Just now leaving out here at Emerald, Smith Ridge Marina. He's biting pretty good today. I missed a lot of fish. Hooked up with one, weighed in a little over 4 pounds. Pretty good day. Very windy. Very windy day. I hate fishing in the wind, but it is what it is. Hoping to have a little bit more fish being caught for y'all, but all I had was this one, which I'll be uploading and posting really soon. Hope everyone's having a wonderful and blessed week. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Finally hooked into what? Finally hooked into one today. It has been a okay, out there jumping. It has been a day trying to hook at him too, boy. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What we got here? What do we got here, everybody? We got a nice one there, boy. Yes, sir, Bob. We got another nice one. Let's see what we got here. Look at this here. We're a big guy. Let me see. Let me see here, big guy. What are we weighing today? I want to say 4 pounds. That's what I want to say. I want to say a good 4 pounds. Yes, there we go. We got here. There it. Well, it's only showing a pound. I think he's bigger than that though. I think my scales lied to me. That's what I believe. Ah, it's crazy. I ain't showing nothing now. Let's get her down here. God damn it. Calm down, buddy. Calm down there, big guy. Going on me. There we go. That's more like it. 4.9, about 4.20. Close, 5 pounds. Good fish. Real good fish. About time I caught one. Took all morning.